Guys, it's Mr. Myth here. I'm gonna be solving a Rubik's Cube, completely scrambled. Okay, 3, 2, 1. I know I'm breathing loudly. And I know you can't see it properly, but I'm actually solving my Rubik's Cube. And I'll try and lower it so you guys can see. Oh yeah, shout out to Preston's wife. One of my first subscribers. He's my friend at school. He has 8 subscribers. You should check out him. Preston's wife. Not like Preston, the Minecraft gamer. Preston's wife. I'll leave it in the description. And I'm almost done my Rubik's Cube. So, I'll tell you when. I know you can't see it properly, but I'm not actually done yet. But I'll keep on solving it. Almost done. I got these corners. I solved the 2 layers and the white side. I already solved the yellow. Just need to solve this layer. This side, got this, only 3 loops away. Yep, one more algorithm, should be solved. Sorry about that, but it's solved. Yep, it's solved. Okay, peace out.